friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to activate screen recording on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So at first what you need to do is that you just slide down this one. When you slide down, here is the screen record, so just press this one. When you press, you can see there is three options, right? The first option, it says the record device sound. It means when you activate this record device sound, what happens is that when you activate the screen record device on, it means whenever you play the games, or when you play the music, it will be captured on the screen recording. Okay, and this is the record microphone sound. When you talk now, when you are talking with your friends, it will be captured on the screen recording. Okay, this is the external sound and this is the internal sound of the mobile phone, and this is the show touches on screen. Okay, so I activate this all. Okay, and let's record some screen recording. I activate this screen recording and it's 3 to 1 started. So this is the show touches, and whenever you click, this show touches sound will be activated. Okay, and suppose friends, when I'm talking, no, it will be captured on this screen recording. Okay, because I'm talking right now. Okay, and when I will play right now the music also, it will be captured on this screen recording. So I stop this screen recording right now. When I stop, it will be, the file will be saved here. Okay, you can save it or record this screen recording like this. You can activate the microphone or the device sound, micro sound. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.